Hello Udemy, I'm Shazad Ahmed from Shekzi.com and welcome in lecture number 35. Today's we are going to cover the collapse system using bootstrap. Okay, so now we are working on the bootstrap 3. Why? Because you have to familiar before starting bootstrap 4 in this series, or we are going to finish this series. I think this is 35. We are going to finish this series after 41 or 42. So when you learn each and everything from the bootstrap 3, then we are going to start a project using bootstrap 3. So we are going to our first project, we are going to our create, or we are going to our design first template using bootstrap 3. So you can easily understand how can you use all of your content, like all of your component with grid systems to making a particular template. So when you complete the project using bootstrap 3, then we will move further to bootstrap 4. So we are going to create 4 templates using bootstrap 4 when you complete the course of bootstrap 4. Okay, so now in this series we are learning bootstrap 3 first of all, then creating bootstrap 4, then with 5 projects. Okay, so how can you create your collapse? So what is collapse? For suppose you have a button, and I'm saying show me, I'm saying button and primary. Go to your page, refresh the page. For suppose you have a button and you want to show the content when your client or user hit the button. So how can you do that? For suppose this is my button and I'm saying the typo is also my button. I am saying data toggle is collapse, and now I'm saying href. So your ID goes here. I'm saying Shekzi. For suppose this is your ID. Okay, I'm saying area expanded, I'm saying false, and now I'm saying area controls, I'm saying Shekzi. Okay, so now you have your button. Go to your page, refresh the button. Nothing has happened because you have to create your div also. So I'm saying class is collapse, and now I'm saying the ID is Shekzi. Okay, and I'm saying well, so this is my class, and now I'm saying hello bootstrap 3 and 4. Okay, go to your page, refresh the page, hit the button. So now you can see, while you are clicking on the button, it's automatically opening with animations. You can see hide, open, close, open, close, open, close. Okay, so in this way you can use, or you can create your collapse. And for suppose if you have your anchor, for suppose you have anchor, then how can you create? I'm saying I have the same properties of this property class. I have a same button primary, and I'm saying in this time I'm saying data toggle. Now I'm saying collapse, and now I'm saying href, and now I'm saying Shekzi 2. In this time I'm saying Shekzi 2, and now same as area expanded, I'm saying false, and I'm saying area controls, I'm saying Shakesy 2. Okay, 2. So go to your collapse sections, copy these sections, paste this section here, and you need to add the Shakesy 2 ID as well. Go to your page, refresh the page, you have your anchor. For suppose it's not going anywhere, and I'm saying click me. Refresh the page, it's nothing. Just a second, it's not working. We just need to check what's going on. Shakesy 2. So here is the ID Shakesy. You can check also the spell. Okay, I have missed something because I'm saying the role is button. Okay, so go to your page, refresh the page. Now click the button, it should work. Data toggle class. So this is href. We are missing this. So this is the data toggle. So this is href. Okay, so now you have your href and you have area expanded false. Now go to your page, refresh the page, click on the buttons. Now it's working fine, and you can change this always. For suppose second Shakesy div, refresh the page. So now you can see you have your second div here, you have your first content here. So in this way you can create your collapse. By the way, this is the collapse. First of all, you can use this collapse like this, and they are saying click the buttons below to show and hide another elements via class change. Collapse, collapsing, collapse in. You can use a link. Also we are using the link. So in the next lecture we are going to cover another topic, which is the accordion. For suppose what is accordion? For suppose you have 3 items, and whenever someone hit the buttons, you are showing item related with this. So how can you create these items? We will see, and for now, thank you for watching.